Hey guys, with another realistic fiction train crash. This is a very good car. It's called Speed Trap. Hey, ready, set, go. Oh man, the train separated. Oops. Two more times around. Oh, whoa, this is a police car. I know it's a police car, but whoa, they're gonna get in jail for this. They're getting arrested. Bye. Last lap. Go in there. Stick with. Oops. Maybe I can't do it. I can't do it, so. I know this is not hard hitting because I don't want this to scrape up my special car. So. See you later. Take care. Goodbye. Speed Trap. Technetium. Skidster. And then International CXT. See you later.